Emily Leary from A Mummy Too, and I've been invited to this gorgeous house by Addis, who are not only the UK's oldest producers of houseware, but also around 240 years ago, William Addis invented the toothbrush. Isn't that incredible? To imagine 240 years ago, we didn't even have these things that we use every day now. Now I can see that there's some gorgeous flowers over here and a lovely card which says, Emily, welcome to the house of Addis. Your journey around the Addis home starts in the bathroom. I'm intrigued, let's go. So here we are in the bathroom, and I don't know about you, but our bathroom's fairly small and it's always a challenge to fit everything in, so storage solutions are more than welcome. In here, we've got the Addis Invisifix series, and this is fabulous. I've seen these before. So they're great little storage caddies for the bathroom, and they have a really clever way of fixing to the wall. So if you're not keen to drill into your tiles, or maybe you're in a rented house, then you just attach this sticky pad to your tiles, hook on your caddy, and the brilliant thing is you can move it around your bathroom, so you could even have it in the shower if you want to. So what other solutions have we got in here? Shower squeegee, love it. I've got one, lots of my friends haven't, and I think they're missing a trick, because by running this down the shower door after each shower, you're keeping the door clean and there's no need for constant scrubbing. And we have to have a toilet brush and a bin in our bathroom, but we want them to be understated yet attractive, and these tick the boxes with the rattan style design. And I love this laundry hamper. It's nice and neat and fits brilliantly into any bathroom. Okay, where are we going next? Next up, we're heading to the bedroom for some inventive storage solutions. Fabulous, I definitely need them in my life. Okay, here we are in the bedroom. So much stuff, so little space. So what do Addis have for me in here? Okay, this is right up my street. I have loads of shoes, and this is durable underbed storage. It's going to keep everything organized, dust-free and clean, easily slides under. Very nice. And we also have these hard boxes, perfect for all sorts, blankets, toys, whatever. Making the most of that space under your bed. Next, we're heading over to the wardrobe. Now, I don't know if your family is anything like mine, but wardrobe space is an absolute premium. We need all the help we can get, so we've got some great solutions in here. Now, the Seal and Store vacuum storage bags, and they are fab for squashing down, say, your winter duvet so that you can have more space. Addis also make a travel size version, which is great for popping in your suitcase for when you're going away, and then you can pop all your dirty clothes in on the way out. But what I really love about these bags is the way that they seal. There's no need to battle with a zip. Instead, you just pull open, use your clothes, swap your wardrobe, put your dirty things in here if you're on holiday, and then to seal, so clever, you just pull and then run your hand along. And that is 100% air and water sealed. You just roll up, and as you roll, it pushes all the air out of this little bit at the end and keeps it that way. So clever. So what other solutions do we have? This is a wardrobe organizer. Now, we have these at home. They're great because as well as maximizing hanging space, they also allow you to organize your clothes. So we have them in both of the kids' wardrobes so that their school uniform is all neatly divided and ready each morning. Of course, if we're going to use all the space in our wardrobe, then we also need to use the top shelves. So, nifty little solution. And I think that my next card is just up here. Right, love it or loathe it, we all have to do the washing. Now, I am terrible with the laundry. I leave it all to the last minute, it all builds up in the hamper, and then I have masses to get through. Whether you're a loather or a lover, Emily, Addis has the ironing and drying sorted. Sounds great to me, just what I need. Let's go and find out. And here we are down in the utility room. Now mine is stuffed with gadgets because I love anything that makes life in the home that little bit easier. So let's see what we've got. Okay, so this is the Easy Airer. Looks like standard clothes airer, but can you tell what's different? It's the other way. Now this is clever because it makes it easy load, no reaching inside your area. Really simple, really clever. Next we have a bit of an icon in the Addis range. This is the Super Dry Mop. A couple of really cool features here. Nice broad head that's got good surface area. It's going to clean your floor really quickly, and we've got the squeeze action too. What else have we got? I think we're going to head into the cupboard. Now in here we've got some really clever gadgets. This one is amazing. A fold flat laundry basket. Absolutely no space at all in your cupboard, but open it out, give it a push. Look at that, so clever. You can take your laundry out to the garden, you can take your dry folded laundry upstairs, and then when you're done with your basket, instead of having it lying around taking up space, you just turn it upside down, pop, press down, put it away. Now in here we also have the Shirt Master, which you may have guessed is an ironing board, but this one is a little bit different. See the shape here? There's a much bigger surface area and a really unusual shape. It's rounded at all four corners. You're going to get through your shirts and all your other ironing much more quickly with this. Now one more in the cupboard. Now this is genius, I think. This is an extendable airer. Isn't that clever? So not only is it going to use up less space in your cupboard, but you can also adjust the width to fit whatever space you've got in your utility room, kitchen, or wherever you're drying your laundry. Now, to put it up it goes, clip here. Again, you can adjust even when it's up, and then when you're done, just click, click, collapse it down, done and away. So while we're in the utility room, there are a couple more bits that we can look at. These are pet feeding and storage solutions. So the first one is clip and close. And this is being used to keep all of your doggy treats nice and fresh. They're absolutely airtight, sealed, they're brilliant. You probably already have some of these in your home. There's also this. Just a normal dog water bowl, but if I pour it away, watch this. So clever. It means that you can pop it away, pop it into storage. It's going to use up hardly any space, but it's also great to take with you. You could have this in your bag, and then when you get to a stopping point with your pets, pop it open, fill it with water, close it up and go. Really cool. And this is called Pop and Store, so look out for it. Okay, I'm ready for the next bit of my challenge. Time to grab a breath of fresh air and see what we have up our sleeves in the garden. Now that sounds great. So we are out in the garden and I feel some more laundry solutions coming on. This is the Easy Lift Rotary Airer. Now it's lightweight, rust proof, and it does something very cool. With one hand, just press How clever is that? Loads of drying space, so practical, looks great, and it's just as easy to put away. Just unclip, lower it down, and then these will pop away neatly. I see another laundry basket, and this one is another really handy solution. As well as giving you lots of space for your laundry, it also does this. So flat, another really cool solution when you've got limited space. Now, let's head back over to the house because I can see a brush. Now, according to this, Addis make a range of brushwear to keep your outdoors as clean as indoors. This one has plastic bristles, so it's an all-rounder, but there are lots of other options depending on what kind of garden you have. Now, this is my favorite. This is a squeegee with spray. So, spray, 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 clean, clean, clean. So clever and really practical, and you can make your own cleaning solution, so it's eco-friendly too. So where am I heading next? Emily, you deserve a cuppa. I do. Time to head to the kitchen to check out some Addis icons and a mix of great value food storage ranges that will help you ditch single-use plastics and support a healthy living lifestyle for you and your family. That's right up my street. Let's find out more. So here we are in the kitchen, my favourite room in the house, and here's my promised cup of tea. And look, gorgeous cake and a very clever solution for storing it. This is great for a big sponge. And I love that it has lots of height. It means even if you've got quite a decorated cake, this is going to store it beautifully and keep it fresher for longer. Now we have some other storage solutions here, but before we look at this, let's head over to the sink and see what we've got there. Okay, so this is the premium range from Addis, and we have a fab washing up bowl with a couple of extra special features. So we've got the rubber inside to protect your crockery and the little rubber feet on the bottom to protect your sink. Really clever, really simple, fab. Now we also have this little washing up caddy, perfect place to store your sponge, and then you can keep your soap or your washing up liquid in here, which is actually pretty eco-friendly too. Over here, if you're a big fan like I am of saving all your vegetable scraps for the compost, then this little compost caddy is fab. It looks completely unassuming on your worktop and you can pop all your scraps in there. And while we're talking about keeping things neat and tidy, have a look under the sink, because I think we'll find an under the sink organizer. This is really clever, really neat, gives us 2 levels, much more room to put everything away and keep everything tidy. Over here, we have some bins. Now we all need bins. These ones are great for recycling, and you can get different coloured lids, so you can colour code them for your recycling and your general waste. Now let's head over to the fridge. Addis make an amazing range of food storage solutions. Just look at all of these, all serving a slightly different purpose for everything you could ever need. I'm going to pick a couple of my favourites to take a closer look at. Now this is the berry box, and this is really clever because it's a wash, serve, store solution. So nice and airtight, unclip, take off the lid, and inside we have this really cool little draining part. So you can pop your berries in there, or any fruit you like, give them a wash, and then in it goes. It's going to keep everything really lovely and fresh, and any extra juices are going to drain into this section under here. Then you can serve like this, and when you've finished, pop the lid on, back in the fridge. Now this one I love too. This is the Clip and Go Duo box, and I love it for sending my kids to school with because you've got 2 sections in here. So you can have your sandwiches here, and then your fruit, veggie sticks, nuts, whatever you like in here. And it means everything's going to be kept separate, and you're not going to have squashed sandwiches by lunchtime. Really clever. Okay, so now let's check out some dried food product ideas. So wouldn't we all love a cupboard this organised? And it's all thanks to the iconic Seal, Tight and Clip and Close ranges. We've all got some of these fantastic Addis products in our cupboards. And down here we have the collapsible pop and store storage, which we saw earlier. They come with lids. So pop off the lid, pop open your storage, fill with food, store. When you've finished, collapse again, and you're saving lots of space. Really clever. And these are great also to take to the deli counter so that you're using less single-use plastic. Now this is nifty. It's the Addis lap tray, and it means that I can cozy up in front of the TV, have a bite to eat and some wine, and also do a bit of browsing on my tablet. Now I hope you've enjoyed this Addis house tour as much as I have. If you'd like to see all the products in the range, go to addis.co.uk. Cheers.